Hey guys, welcome to my video today. So I'm gonna make a super quick and easy post-workout protein shake. It is gonna be like a Reese's peanut butter cup. So good. Tons of protein, super healthy. So this is how I make it. I have my almond milk. I have this awesome chocolate keto protein powder that I love. I have been using this for quite a while now. I have powdered peanut butter. So this is the Great Value brand, the Walmart brand. It is exactly the same as PB Fit or PB2, just much cheaper. A scoop of my collagen, which I have every day, either in my smoothie or in my tea. It's there's no taste. This is the taste-free one, unflavored. I have some vanilla Greek yogurt, and I'm gonna make it all in my NutriBullet. So this is gonna be so delicious. So I'm just gonna load all this stuff up. So I'm gonna use a half a cup of Greek yogurt. All in there. I'm gonna do a scoop of the powdered peanut butter. This stuff is really good. My husband uses it in his smoothies also, but I love it. And then this chocolate one, delicious. It's super easy, not a lot of ingredients, and so perfect for post-workout snack. Just tons of protein, which I love. So I'm gonna fill it up with the almond milk. You can add a few ice cubes also if you'd like to make it a little thicker, but the Greek yogurt thickens it enough for me because I like it to be kind of a little bit like thin, not like a super like thick smoothie. So just gonna put it in my NutriBullet and mix it super well. All right, post-workout shake ready, and really good. Cheers, hope you all have a great day. See you next time. Seriously, so good.